A lot of people. Let's go back to Kristen now, and we're getting a little bit of a break from the rain right now, but
more on the way, and it could be a lot more. And take a look at this. Okay, so far on record, Portland ranks number 3 for the wettest December ever on record.
Okay.
Number 3, and we're less than halfway through the month. So here's a look at the wettest, 13.35. I think we might be able to overtake that just because of how wet it looks by the end of this week. And of course, we have so much time left in December. So 1968, we had 11 inches. 2015, here we are, December 14th at 10.22 inches. And then, of course, back in the 70s, 9.93 inches. So we've already exceeded that. And again, we have so much time left to go. And by the end of the week, we could be talking more flooding problems just because we have so much more moisture to get through. So right now, the weather stays a little unsettled. We'll see some spotty rain here and there, but a lot of dry time, so enjoy it tonight and for most of tomorrow. By Wednesday, look at all this deep moisture. We're tapping into another atmospheric river, so we're just basically getting into all this deep moisture from the tropics here that's going to be moving on in. Thankfully, temperatures stay cold enough that it will translate to snow for the mountains and it won't just be plain rain. But for rivers, it could be a problem again because it's not going to take as much this time to get those back up to flood stage. 38 degrees right now in Portland. If you have plans this evening, get ready for the chill, but you're not really going to be worrying with the rain much. Temperatures will dip down into the mid-30s, towards the mid-30s, I should say, as we head towards 11 o'clock, right around 37 degrees. The winds will stay light, and eventually it's lows tonight, down close to freezing. So it'll be a cold start tomorrow, down below freezing, way below freezing across central and eastern portions of Oregon, low 30s back towards Hood River and the Dalles. So let's go ahead and talk about this rain and track it now, and then we'll time it out hour by hour for you. So 7 a.m. tomorrow. We're looking dry. We'll have to watch out for some spotty, patchy fog, but that's going to be about it. By noon, we'll start to see some rain try to creep in for the coast, but we're talking less than 1/10 of an inch for most of us, so it's not going to be that big of a deal. We try to get a little bit more snow going for our Cascades, too, by the second half of the day. Little accumulation, but some nice snow there. And then by Wednesday, here we are Wednesday morning, we start to see these showers pop up, so we start to turn a little wetter, and by the end of Wednesday, we really tap into that deep moisture, and it's going to be all up and down I-5. Getting into southwest portions of Washington. You can see Seattle really doesn't get in on this as much. And then central portions of the state back to the east, we're getting snow showers, of course, for many areas, and we're going to be getting that for the Cascades too. Thursday morning, here we go, more rain moving in. And so we'll see the heaviest rain overnight Wednesday through the day Thursday, and then it tries to linger through Friday. And take a look at some of the rain totals here. So by the end of the week, we're adding on to that over 2 inches that we have now, and we could be looking at anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches for us in the valley by the time we reach Friday evening. Heaviest totals right now look to be south of Portland across central and southern portions of the Willamette Valley. That's where it looks like the deepest moisture will be aimed. That, of course, could fluctuate and change, so we'll continue to monitor that to let you know where the heftiest rain totals will be and where likely we'll see more flooding problems by the end of the week. Coastal forecast tomorrow, though, a lot drier, mostly cloudy and just a little bit of light rain. Upper 40s, it'll be chilly. We'll start off in the upper 30s. I-5, low 40s, mostly cloudy, just a slight chance for rain tomorrow. A lot of dry time. Central and eastern Oregon, light winds, but a chilly day with plenty of sunshine, highs in the 30s. Cascades, highs in the low 40s. Through the gorge, partly sunny and chilly. And then, of course, for the Cascades, we're talking that slight snow chance. Don't forget Wednesday, we're actually going to see Ski Bowl open up. So exciting, 3 p.m. Wednesday, and there's going to be more snow moving in, so that's exciting news. 7-day forecast, low 40s, mid 40s by Wednesday, so showers really returning for the second half of Wednesday. Rain, rain, rain Thursday into Friday. A few breaks here and there for the weekend, and then another wet start to early next weekend. Going back to that snow, think about this, 4.5 feet in 5 days for Mount Hood Meadows and Timberline. I mean, that's almost a foot a day almost.
It's almost like Mother Nature says, I'll make up for last year.
Yeah.
Exactly. We're getting all of last year in just one little week.
I think I got to pick up snowboarding.
Yeah,
I have to get on that this year.
This is the time to do it. It doesn't hurt when you fall down.
Good
Just
call.
like a pillow.
I'll show you how to do it.
Yeah, just good.
We'll be right back.